You ever get a bag that's just so noisy and it sounds something like this? You can get the bag sounding like this with just a few minutes. This $10-ish cord, which is also reflective, so bonus points on extra safety, and a lighter, which you probably have at home. In case you don't, I'll link this lighter as well as this string in the description down below. And if you buy through those links, it won't cost you anything and it'll give me an extra kickback. So thank you in advance. Let's get started. There's actually a few ways to make a noisy zipper less noisy. The assumption at this point is that you have a metal zipper pull and it's hitting on the metal parts of the zipper. This is gonna be the fastest and least destructive, least amount of tools necessary way to do things. Here's what you're gonna do. Measuring the zipper, and this is about 3 centimeters. Cutting out a piece of string, more. It's about 2.5 centimeters. So some tip, I would suggest measuring the holes of your zipper, and that'll be the maximum diameter of the string you wanna go with. 2.5 millimeters wide, which means that I'm able to go through this hole and this hole very well. Burn the ends so that they don't fray. A little bit easier to work. We're gonna do a simple overhand knot. Weave one through here, then weave it back out. And now they're like this. Weave the bottom loop end through this opening. These two ends through there. Basically, you see this is creating a little dampening effect so it doesn't hit as much metal on metal. Knot here, which means taking the two loose ends and weaving them through each other like this, like so. And that's it. We have the overhang knot end where we want it to. In my case, I might just go a little bit more close to the zipper like that so it doesn't look as intense, and that's it. It's just a simple knot. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the edges off, or you can leave it like this if you want, but I'm gonna cut the edges off. And don't forget to seal them. Less wasteful, I would suggest you cut less, but it's gonna be harder to work with. We're gonna burn the edges off with this directional lighter. Use metal to seal it. And that way it won't fray anymore. And there you have it. So it went from this to this. That's it. Super quick video. If you're interested in learning more about this bag, you can click right here to find out more. This is the bag that I used every single day in Costa Rica, as well as Mexico, for a whole 1.5-month trip. Did I like it? I don't know. Find out. Find out. Find out.